Hi guys, and today we are going to be making some slime with Elmers school glue and some Airwick air freshener, the lavender one, the 6-in-1. And all you need to do is have a mixing spoon and a mixing bowl. So first, what you want to do is you want to just get some Elmer school glue and pour however much you like. So I'm just going to be pouring this. Just going to be pouring this much for now. And then what you want to do is you want to just get your mixing spoon. You just want to start mixing it. You can see it's kind of thick. Then you want to just shake your air freshener and spray it for about 2 seconds at first. And you want to just mix that around. It will get watery, which is actually a good sign to it becoming into slime. We'll just add some more. As you can see, it's already kind of turning into slime, though it is very watery. Just want to add more. And you want to make sure it completely turns into slime. And just keep on mixing it. It's very watery now, which is actually very good. Just keep on adding more air freshener until it's the right consistency.